Good morning. My name is Diana Marcela Liscano. Dash April 2, 2021. Group 27. Unit NAV SIP 3. Identify Technologic Evaluate. A lab of information on the market and commercialization channel. Cause 1. A lack of reliability and flexibility in the delivery of the product to consumer. 2. Excessive staff turnover. 3. A lack of strategy shoots and monitor, analysis and control in the operation of the marketing magazine. Consequence 1. Some of the consequence is lack of formation in the causing channels since the internet appears or work for and do know all innovation and design products. 2. Ignorance of the technological network in the products and the consumer when purchase and product. Recommendations to fight a difficulty. 1. Implement different digital tools which allow better innovation in the side products. 2. Implement different strategies which allow to analyze, monitor, and control the different functionalities in the innovations of products. 3. Allow different evaluation tests on the scientific, politics, and the tools merging new innovation campaigns. 4. Importing a operation on the different agents and elements of the technological system which is interaction of innovation. Bye.